The Onforu 100W Motion Sensor Floodlight impresses with its exceptional brightness, utilizing 154 LED beads to produce 9,000 lumens, making it an energy-efficient choice over traditional 500-watt bulbs. Its advanced motion detector offers a wide 180-degree sensing angle and can detect movement from 16 to 32 feet away, providing reliable security for your property. Constructed from die-cast aluminum, this floodlight is designed to last, with excellent heat dissipation and a beaded cover to reduce glare and protect your eyes. The adjustable triple-head design allows for flexible positioning, covering a 270-degree detection zone, ensuring comprehensive illumination of your outdoor space. Boasting an IP65 waterproof rating, this floodlight remains resilient against harsh weather conditions, making it perfect for outdoor environments like garages and driveways. Installation is straightforward, requiring only 3 simple steps, allowing users to quickly enhance their outdoor security without hassle.